Did you hear that? Oh shit. I think they're home. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Let's go down to the basement. We need to hide. Let's just duck back here behind this old wardrobe. They won't find us here. Hopefully they aren't home long and we can just slip out when they leave. Oh. Yeah, I'm okay. It's just really dusty here, and oh, don't. I know I'm trying to don't sneeze. Oh god. Oh, there's so much dust down here. Oh, please help me. Help me hold back. Oh. Thank you for putting your finger under my nose. No, press right there, or it. I'm sorry, I'm doing the best I can. It's just so dusty back here. Oh god, I can't keep holding back. I have to muffle them. Oh, thank you for the rag. Oh, that wasn't too loud, was it? Good. Oh, but my nose it's so tickly. Oh god, where did you get that rag from? That rag from? Oh god, it's covered in dust. Oh god, it's covered in dust. Oh god, every time I use it, it makes my nose tickle so much. But if I don't muffle them, they'll hear me. Oh god, I can't. It's just so itchy. It's so itchy. I'm I can't. Oh no.